For AWS account monitoring, Oracle CASB Cloud Service can use either an Identity and Access Management user to act as a dedicated service account, or use an IAM role. AWS recommends the use of roles, as no access and secret keys are required, and it's viewed as a more secure integration. This walkthrough will show the creation of an IAM user account for a single or standalone AWS account, or a target account configured in cross-account logging. For more information on cross-account logging, please review the cross-account logging videos in this series. To create the dedicated service account, create an IAM user account and assign a specific policy to it. To do this, select Services and then under Security, Identity and Compliance, select IAM. This takes you to the Welcome to Identity and Access Management screen. Select Users to create the account. When you add this new user, you need to provide a username. This user will never need to log into the AWS Management Console, but you will need the access keys. So select Programmatic Access and navigate to the Permission screen. Here, you are going to attach one or more existing policies directly to the user. You can register your AWS account into Oracle CASB Cloud Service in one of two modes: read-only and read-write. In both modes, you'll baseline your AWS security controls in Oracle CASB Cloud Service. Any subsequent changes to the security controls in AWS will generate an alert in Oracle CASB Cloud Service. In read-write mode, Oracle CASB Cloud Service can revert those changes back to the baseline settings, keeping your AWS instance in compliance. However, in this mode, AWS requires Oracle CASB Cloud Service to have administrator access to make these changes directly back into your AWS account. Read-only mode requires the read-only access policy. Enter read-only access in the search filter, scroll to the bottom and select the policy. Then navigate to the review screen. Here, verify the name of the IAM user, that the AWS access type is set to Programmatic Access with an access key, that the correct policy is attached to the IAM user, and then create the user. Download the CSV file to view the user security credentials, the access key ID, and the secret access key. This is the only time you'll be able to do this. If you lose these access keys, you'll have to regenerate a new set in IAM and update Oracle CASB Cloud Service with the new keys in order to continue monitoring your AWS account. Best practice is to rotate your IAM user keys every 90 days, so you will become familiar with this process if you are not already. This is called a dedicated service account because it should be dedicated to the Oracle CASB Cloud Service to monitor your AWS account. No human or any other application should use this account to log into your AWS account. Once you have downloaded your access keys, navigate back to the IAM dashboard where you can view the user that you just created. With CloudTrail enabled, an S3 bucket collecting CloudTrail log data, and the dedicated service account, you are ready to register your AWS account into Oracle CASB Cloud Service. Thank you for watching.